guys, I'm here today with a Target and Colourpop haul. I thought I'd just throw in my Colourpop stuff in this video. So things I picked up over the last, I don't know, few weeks from Target. You should be able to get all of this stuff, especially the clothes, because I just got those just today. I just got home. I was gonna go to the gym today and then I was like, I don't feel like it. I haven't filmed in like a good week and a half for two reasons. One, I'd gotten my lips dissolved. They were really skinny and tiny. Well, just my top lip. We didn't do my bottom lip, so it looked kind of funny. Then I got it filled and they looked amazing. And then I broke out in a cold sore, which is super common if you're susceptible to cold sores and you do lip filler. I've actually never gotten them before with lip filler, but I think because we dissolved it and then we went in and filled it, my skin just kind of freaked out. So I had a cold sore, which has finally healed. Then I had a big old pimple. So for those like vanity reasons, having a small lip and then having a cold sore, I was like not about to film. So anywho, I'm here now filming. Don't mind all this stuff. This is all Target stuff that I got. Valentine's Day stuff for the kids. So if you're interested in seeing what I got the kids for Valentine's Day or what I'm getting them for Valentine's Day, let me know down in the comments and I can definitely show that. It's also why I haven't vlogged, because I just figured I didn't really want to be in front of the camera. I wasn't wearing I was doing full makeup, just not wearing lipstick. So it looked a little weird. But because if I went anywhere, I had a mask on, it wasn't really a big deal. So anyways, all that to be said, I'm here today with a haul. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. Hope you enjoy this video. Sorry for the long intro. Let's get into the stuff I got from Target. I am also going to be filming a declutter series coming up. I need to go get my nails done first because I feel like you see my hands and I just don't want ugly fingernails. So I'm gonna be filming that. I gotta go get my nails done first. Okay, I'm gonna start with the makeup stuff. So two of the things were repurchases. This is my favorite liquid eyeliner. I just love it. It's like $4.99. It's the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner. It's almost always sold out at my Target. So they had two left and I snagged them because I'm getting close to being done with the ones I have. I also picked up this NYX glitter primer. I don't know where my Too Faced glitter glue went. And I have been really, I don't know if you can see on my eyes right now, it's just like a lot of sparkle. I've been really into more sheer sparkly toppers on my lid. And I wanted to have a glue for that. So this is supposed to be for eyes or actually for your lips. I'm going to use it for my eyes, but this is what it looks like. It's just a glitter glue. I also picked up, I got quite a few things from NYX actually. Let's go to this one. Okay, this is the NYX Filler Instinct. It's in the color Boss Babe or something like that, Beach Casual. And it is super pretty. I've worn it twice. It has like a little bit of a plumping feel to it, but just the perfect like throw it on really easy kind of product. Doesn't have a smell. I feel like I'm out of breath because I just like ran downstairs to grab a few of these things and then ran back up. But I really like it. The color's super, super pretty. Then do you guys remember these butter glosses? I got rid of all my butter glosses years ago, but because I kind of watch TikTok here and there, a lot of people are bringing back the butter glosses. So I got this one in Tiramisu. Mine doesn't really have as sweet a smell as I remember them having. And this is just a really pretty pink. So that one's Tiramisu. I have another one too, but I have absolutely no idea where it went. My guess is it's probably in my purse, but the butter glosses are making a comeback. Who would have thought? The NYX Marshmallow Primer. This came as like a little free thing if you spent X amount of money on NYX at Target. So I've not tried this yet. The plastic is still on here, this big old sticker. But I've also seen people on TikTok talk about this primer. So we'll see here. This is just like a small little travel size. I heard it smells like marshmallows, so let's see. I wouldn't say marshmallow, but I'd say like sweet candy. It seems to be pretty blurry. So I'm excited to try that. I don't really know why I swatched it, but it has like a sweet candy smell, but I wouldn't necessarily say a marshmallow smell. Next one is a combination. Where did the lip thing go? I'm feeling a little discombobulated. Here we go. So lips, this was one of them. This is what I have on, and then I have this other product over it. This was new under the Maybelline display, and it's the Maybelline Ultimate in the shade More Taupe. And so it's just one of these like little roll up lipsticks. And it's really pretty and gets a really great deeper nude color. So I put that on, and then I was like, you know, I just need like a little, I need to lighten it a little bit. So I tried this. I just picked this up just today. It's the Color Stay Satin Ink by Revlon. This is the shade Your Go-To. And it's much lighter than I thought. I mean, it looks just like the bottle, but it definitely is a very taupey nude, but it's super pretty. And so over this, I thought that was a really pretty combo. And that's what's on my lips right now. They had some really bright colors. They had some more pinky colors. It feels pretty comfortable on the lips. It feels a little bit like the ones that are in this container from Maybelline, I think, that are kind of sticky. It kind of has that same feel to it, but I feel like it looks really pretty. Okay, also from NYX, I picked up this brow glue. I thought it looked interesting. It is, I guess, kind of like, it says non-sticky transparent formula. I don't know, it just looked really neat. So let's give this one a go. What I've been using, which I'm gonna show in my haul, which you can definitely get this at Ulta, is the Anastasia, this brow freeze. And I've really been liking that. That's what I used in my brows today. So I'm trying to find, you know, like the breast. Wow, it's been a while since I filmed. The best brow, like, holder. Oh, it's kind of tiny. Kind of cool packaging. And it has a very small little spoolie, which I like. So I'm excited to try this. I'll keep you guys updated on how that works out. Then I got these because they didn't have ash brown, which is really what I wanted, but I figured I'd give these two a go. I might try to order the ash brown online. I got caramel and brunette. Sometimes, since they had like a really red auburn color anyways, I figured, I'm getting a bunch of text messages coming through on my phone. Since they already had an auburn color, I was hoping the color will not be too warm, but there's the caramel color. I've been seeing a ton of people talk about these, so I've been wanting to try them. I've tried a few of these like microblading pens, and I feel like they're just so watery looking. Like, I can't get a good line. I want something that's like a little bit more opaque and not so like watery looking. Okay, so there's brunette and there's caramel. So we'll see if these will even work color-wise for me, but I thought it'd be a good one to try. And then I wanted to try this. This is the e.l.f. Camo Cream. I've seen a lot of people talk about this on TikTok too, so I thought I'd give that one a go. Okay, I also picked up a bunch of these. Once I saw them on Target, I've been wanting to get them, but I kind of was waiting until they were on Target's website to get them. So the first one is Spiced Apple, because I love the little eyeshadows that come like this, where there's like 4 or 5 of them. So this one's Spiced Apple, and it has a really nice little peach color. And then this highlight looks super pretty. Don't mind the horribly self-tanned hands. Ooh, I like that color. I think I've worn that one. The highlight's a little dark for me, but it's still super pretty. Okay, this next one is lychee. Somebody's gonna come for me in the comments for that one. Okay, it's this one right here. Gosh, those are so pretty. Then we have, what's this one, watermelon? Nope, pomegranate. It's a little bit brighter pink. That one's pomegranate. This one's a really interesting color. This one is called Cantaloupe. And let's give that one a go. This one will be great if you're fair toned. It's a really interesting, like, orangey color. That highlight's gonna be good for my skin tone though. Then we have White Peach. There's White Peach. It's kind of like a burnt, lighter orange color, but looks super pretty. I'll swatch it next to the other orange one so you can see them. You can see that one's like a little bit more deeper and burnt colored. I like that. And then this one is watermelon. The texture of this reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury highlight that I love. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Okay, watermelon is super pretty. It's not too bright. So those are the little e.l.f. bite-sized blushes and highlights. I just think they're so pretty. All right, then I got, what else did I get? Okay, let me do the last of the Target stuff and then we'll move in. Oh, actually I did this. Okay, I got NYX Sandstorm, also something I saw on TikTok, and then Whipped Caviar, which I remember Whipped Caviar in the regular, their lipsticks used to be like one of my favorites. So I'm hoping that this is the same. I'm not really into the like really cool tone mauves anymore like I used to be. You guys remember? I used to be into the cool tone mauves. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I look good with what I'm wearing. So that one's Whipped Caviar. And then the other one, where did it go? I stuck it in my pile of stuff. Oh, here it is. Sandstorm. Nude Truffle's another one I want to get. Sandstorm's a little bit more brown. Well, this necklace is from Target. I'll link it down below. It's so cute. This shirt, it's like a little band tee. I just got this band tee today. And then, let me see if I can move this down. These jeans, ooh, they are in size 0. They're super cute, like acid wash jeans, and they're kind of like more straight leg, but they're so cute. I just bought these today. They are the Wild Fable, and they're in size 0. So I'm typically a size 0 or a size 2, usually about a 25-inch waist. Okay, let me come back. And move you up. Oh, you want to see Finny Boy? Okay. First is this super cute tie-dye. It's from the brand COLSIE. So you're gonna find this in the loungewear PJ section. Really cute. I got a size small because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized. Typically I'm an extra small. So I got the sweats. I got them in a size medium. They're gonna be way too big. I'm usually an extra small, but I really wanted the sweatpants. So I'm gonna kind of hold on to them because they had a bunch of mediums, but they had no smalls or extra small. So I'm gonna hold on to these. This hasn't shown up on the website yet, so maybe by the time I upload this, it'll be available on the website. And I need to snag like an extra small, and then I'll just exchange those. But I wanna try them on and just see how big they are. You can't try anything on in Target right now, so I couldn't try them on. And then I got the shorts in extra small. So cute. And then I picked up, I'm just obsessed with loungewear. It's like literally what I wear all day long. These really cute ones. These were also in the loungewear. This is from Stars Above, which is like the softest PJs ever. Like some of my favorite PJs are like these type from Stars Above. And I have them in like so many different prints. So this is a really cute like tie-dyed one. And I just picked all these clothes up today. So they should all be easily, readily available with the exception of this because it might sell out really fast. So the shorts and the sweatpants and then the top is what they had in that collection with that print. Okay, now we're gonna move on to this collection. This looks a little crooked. This is the Wild Child collection. I am on Colourpop PR, but I wasn't sure if I was getting this collection and I really wanted it, so I ordered it. And I'm glad I did because I did not get this in PR. So I'd have been sad if I would have missed out on it. Some of the stuff is sold out, but I know that they restock often. So this is the Wild Child palette. So it looks like, I have a lot of these colors on my eyes, like this one in my crease, this one in my crease, these ones in my outer corner. I've worn almost all the shades. So I'll swatch them for you. I just loved this palette. It just looked so stinking pretty. So I was like, I do not want to miss out on this one. Like, look at those colors. I like them because they're warm, but they're not like straight up like orangey sunset warm. Do you know what I mean? Like, I like a warm palette, but I don't necessarily always want like bright oranges, burnt reds, really like pinky tones. I just sometimes want like the depth that this palette has, and I really like it. So here are all the swatches, and that's so pretty. It's just such a pretty palette. The only thing it's missing is a brow bone color, but I have a bunch of palettes I can use for that. But so that one is the Wild Child palette, and I'm really, really happy that I picked that one up. Then it came with 2 blushes, but these are more like bronzers, I think, at least for my skin tone. So this first one is called Trippin', and it does have sparkle in it. Like that is like way too dark for me for a blush. Well, I don't know. I don't know how that would look on my skin tone for a blush. If you have a deeper skin tone, I'm sure it'd be beautiful. It does have sparkle in it. These two were like not my favorite in the collection, but I just bought the whole collection as a whole because it was a little bit easier than trying to pick. And then this one is the Jet Set. So to me, for my skin tone, they would be more bronzers. They are buildable, so they're not like super pigmented right off the bat, which is kind of nice with something like that. You don't always want everything to be like insanely pigmented. So those were the powder products. And then there was 3 of the Super Shocks. The first one is called Basic Instinct. And it's this like deeper kind of bronzy copper color. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And then this one is called Free Reign. If you want like something a little more smokier, and they have like really pretty little like micro glitters in them. And then the last one, this one's my favorite. I've worn this a few times. This one is called Run Wild. And this one just has so much like sparkle in it. Isn't that pretty? Again, don't mind my self-tan. Here's what happened. I use my favorite self-tan, which is like so good, right? My favorite self-tan is the Bondi Sands Tanning Oil. It's amazing. It was user error the last couple times because I was super lazy and I didn't feel like putting lotion on my hands. And I just like said to heck with it. And I just put it straight on my bare naked hands with no lotion, and it just absorbs like crazy on your hands. So total user error and whatever. We're gonna move on. Okay, and then it came with 3 lippies. And the first one is Oh Behave. What's weird is I've noticed the last few lippies like have this really weird smell. I feel like they used to smell like vanilla, and now they smell a little chemical-y to me, but this one's probably my least favorite. But again, I just ordered the whole set as one instead of like trying to like sort through it because I was afraid it was gonna sell out. But I do know there's quite a bit still available. This one's called Sassy, the second one over. And then this one I've used the most. This one's called Brat Pack, and I really like this color. That one's Brat Pack. It's a little bit more of like some pinky tones, a little lighter. So that was all from the Colourpop collection that I just bought, and then Target. So I hope you guys enjoyed. What have you picked up from Target lately? Have you guys tried this liner? Like seriously, if you haven't and you love liquid eyeliner, I highly recommend checking it out. You guys know I love like the Too Faced one and the MAC one, and this just like blows all those out of the water. They're just as good, if not better, plus insanely inexpensive. So, and it's super black. It's what I have on my lids. It's matte, it's black, and you have to use like waterproof eye makeup remover to remove it, because I use a cleansing oil every single night, and it takes off everything except for I still have winged liner at the end after I've cleansed my skin with like a cleansing oil. And the only thing that takes it off is like waterproof eye makeup remover. So if you have like runny eyes, watery eyes, not runny, watery eyes, or you like need it to stay and be budge proof, it's really, really great. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.